This sticker may be dangerous and inconvenient, but I sure do love Haltech.
If a good weekend... Goodness gracious. He told you to move.
I know.
What's up, everybody? In today's video, we just wanted to thank everyone for another awesome year. Thank you, everyone, for watching Cars and Cameras in 2022. We also wanted to share some very, very big plans we have for our Turbo 670 Dragster. We're in that time of year where it's just muddy and wet all the time, so finding track time is tough, especially with methanol. It doesn't like to run below 60 or so degrees. So it's a great time to be doing a lot of tuning. So we actually just picked up a brand new sponsor, Haltech. And for those of you who don't know, Haltech specializes in aftermarket fuel injection and ECUs. So Haltech hooked us up with an ECU and a, what'd you call this thing, Charles?
Oh, that's the depth finder for my new bass boat.
Yeah, this is not a depth finder for a bass boat. This is a digital display that we're going to have on the Dragster, and a lot of odds and ends to help us retrofit fuel injection on our 670. So we're going to go over everything we have. Oh, the 750 Elite. We could run my C10 on this ECU, guys.
Really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
So they sent us a whole bunch of awesome parts. We're partnering with Mark from Frankenstein Motor Works up in Indiana. He has a lot of experience installing fuel injection on engines that were never designed to have fuel injection. So we've been putting in a lot of work on these plans. And now that we have parts, it's time that we start sharing it with you guys. It's a big loom.
It's like 2 miles of wire. Oh dear.
Yeah.
Sensor.
Cool.
Sensor.
Cool.
Sensor. Sensor.
So we are super excited to be working with Haltech on this project. We have a bunch of sensors here. We have wire loom, the Elite 750 ECU, and the cherry on top IC7 display for like our boost pressure, RPM.
Hey,
basically,
camera guy, come on. Back up this way.
Oh, okay,
All right.
sorry.
The dashboard.
The dashboard?
Yeah.
Okay.
So there's still a lot to piece together. We need to find some injectors. And
Hey, camera guy. You know what? Hold on. Hold on, John. I got this.
Hey, you know what? This sticker may be dangerous and inconvenient, but I sure do love Haltech.
So we are super excited to be working with Haltech on this project. It's going to take it to the next level. We're talking rev limiter. We're talking two-step data logging, all that stuff. We have a pile of sensors here. We got a wire loom here. We got the Elite 750 ECU, which is overkill for this project. And then the cherry on top is the IC7 display. That's going to have our RPM, boost. Basically, it's our dashboard. And we can even program like shift lights in there. Like if the engine RPM goes way too high and we don't notice.
That'll be really nice.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. So super exciting stuff that we're going to be installing on the Dragster. We can go ahead and mount the display at least today.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and do that.
All right.
So the guys are going to get installing the display just so we have a good look of what it's going to look like. But basically, like we mentioned, we're in the rainy part of the year and finding time at the drag strip is tough. But if a good weekend... Goodness gracious.
My finger hit the button.
I did that earlier.
But if a good day comes across, we are going to run this setup until the complete fuel injection kit is ready for us.
So while we're not really doing much tuning or any driving in this episode, it's kind of like a happy holidays, Merry Christmas from Cars and Cameras, and we're excited to share what we have going on with this project going on in 2023. We are really, really excited. Let's get in 699 at 100 plus miles an hour, right, guys?
Yeah, buddy.
I want everyone watching to comment below. What was your favorite Cars and Cameras moment from 2022? Charles, what was your favorite Cars and Cameras moment 2022? Oh, man. Putting you on the spot. We'll come back to you. Ike, favorite Cars and Cameras moment 2022?
107 miles per hour on a go-kart down the airport runway.
That was an awesome day.
That was.
I have to say my favorite moment was probably going 91 miles an hour at a 789 on this project.
Yeah, my favorite thing of 2022 was Mini Mayhem. Me and Wyatt and I out front at the dirt drag strip. Hopefully next year it'll be the same way.
So 2022 for Cars and Cameras was a lot of behind-the-scenes work of just settling into this new shop. 2023, we have big plans on some new projects. We want to get this thing over 100 miles an hour in the 8th mile. We want to build a Crosscart 2.0. We have a big build-off plan between the three of us. We have a whole lot in store. So thank you everyone for tuning in. Thank you to everyone who bought a Christmas ornament to help replace Charles' stolen tools. Thank you everyone who placed an order on our website, cars-cameras.com, for merchandise. We have to thank all of our subscribers out there for coming to our events. We have to thank all of our sponsors, of course, GoPowersports.com, Rogue Fab, Sunoco Racing Fuels, Benpack, and now Haltech. So it's exciting to be working with so many companies and have so many long-term and new sponsors as well. So, are the guys almost done?
Well, almost. We would have been done if you didn't weld up the cluster.
So I accidentally welded the cluster to the dash. Is that what happened?
Yeah, the nuts that you welded. Yeah, the hot glue got on it. This hub it.
Done.
Nice.
Oh, are you hooked up to the...
Yep.
He told you to move.
I know! They're finding my ankles.
Alright, it's not perfect, but...
Looks good.
It's good. Oh, it's crooked. All right, man. You ready for this?
It's pretty darn good.
It fits
It's
in
like
there.
it's meant for it.
Fits in there real nice.
This thing was meant for a Haltech since day one.
I like how it's got a little shade,
Yeah.
for the sun or whatever.
Yep.
Dude, this is gonna be so cool. I'm so excited.
Aerodynamics.
It's nice and big. We'll be able to see it.
Lot bigger than this little screen. Because that was always the thing, we'd run it down the strip.
How many RPMs were you
How
trying
many?
to...
Yeah, it's like, I forgot.
know.
I don't know. I forgot to look. Yeah, exactly.
Oh, this is nice.
We are cooking with gas now, boys.
Yeah, this is good. Oh, yeah. Dude, I am loving this.
Yep. Of course, just bolting on our Haltech display is about 1% of the total amount of work that needs to go into converting this to fuel injection. But
Such a buzzkill.
we're working on it.
That's all right. No, one step further. I mean, this is what they want us to do. Fuel injection.
This is good. I love the screen. It's a good start, man. I'm feeling really good about this.
So like we mentioned, we're going to be sending off this setup and our spare 670, our spare turbo, to our expert who knows the system very well and can get a good baseline calibrated for us. All our sensors, injectors, all the odds and ends that go into fuel injecting an engine that never needed it or never had it in the first place. So it's going to be really interesting. Of course, all that stuff is going to get shipped back here, and we're going to be installing it and testing it out, but that won't be for a while because there's a lot of custom work that has to go into converting this to fuel injection. So we'll have more updates for you as they happen. Thank you all for watching this episode. It was a short update, but we're just excited to kind of show you what we have going on, what we have planned for the Dragster. Happy holidays. We're going to spend some time with our friends and family and take a little bit of time off, but we'll be back 2023 working on the Dragster and a whole lot more. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.